Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on delinquent transactions. Has it ever happened that despite entering the correct number of transactions in the Oracle system, it shows an incorrect number of delinquencies? Well, the reason is quite simple. In Oracle, the collections and AR modules are two different modules. Hence, in this tutorial, we are going to explain how to synchronize the AR module with the collections module for the delinquent invoices. This will, in turn, help you as a credit analyst to access all the delinquent transactions under one single work queue. We will also take an example to help you understand better. But before we start with the course, let us first understand what a delinquent transaction is. Delinquent transaction simply means when an account has failed to pay the debt within the time period specified on the contract. To help you understand better, let us take an example. Suppose, in a contract, it is written that the debt must be settled by the 1st of January with a grace period of 15 days. This means even if the account doesn't pay back by the 1st of January, they will still have time to repay till the 16th of January. However, if they fail to pay by the 16th of January, the transaction will be considered delinquent. I hope this definition is clear. However, it is important to remember that once an account moves past its due date, the collector can face a lot of challenges. The most crucial one being maintaining a good customer relationship while still making sure the debt gets paid. Delinquent transaction also brings down your customer's credit score. If not paid over a long period of time, it makes them look like a high-risk borrower. This can indirectly affect your business as well, since no other company would like to be involved in a business transaction with them, hence reducing your chances of getting paid back anytime soon. And no one really wants that. I hope that clears your understanding of delinquent transactions. Now let's learn how to check the credit score and the number of delinquencies in Oracle. To check the delinquent transactions, click on the Collections tab on the Navigator window. Then click Work Queue from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Since we are going to query the active delinquent customers, click on the Active button on the left tab. As you can see, a list of delinquent customers appears on the display window. We have highlighted the ABC Corporation over here. They have a credit score of 40, and they have 2 delinquencies, as you can see under the delinquency column. With that, we have come to an end to this tutorial. I hope now you have a clear understanding of what are delinquent transactions and how to check the credit score and the number of delinquencies in Oracle. That's all for this video. See you in the next tutorial.